Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Fifth Third Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in 53.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Fifth Third Bank website. Now from the home page, in order to log into your existing account, click on the login button at the top right corner and this will directly open up the login portal. Now simply choose whether you want to log into online banking or commercial banking from the drop-down menu, and then you can proceed with entering your credentials. Just type in your user ID that you set up while creating your account, and then in the password box type in your account password. Finally click on the login button and you will be logged into your Fifth Third Bank account right away. And now you can immediately start banking with the Fifth Third Bank. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Fifth Third Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.